The LumiFi Controller Network Setup. LumiFi offers software-based lighting controls across various third-party wireless lighting hardware manufacturers. For any installation with the LumiFi PRO application, you will need the on-site central communication LumiFi controller that manages the communication between multiple protocols, lighting manufacturers, and the mobile devices, as well as the cloud. You will need to order the controller from LumiFi. The LumiFi controller will need to be connected to the project's local wireless network. This process can only be done on site. This video explains the LumiFi controller setup to the wireless network. This controller discovery process can be done in two ways. Option 1. Using the LumiFi PRO mobile app to discover your controller using Bluetooth. Option 2. Using a physical connection to a display screen to configure the wireless network. Please ensure you have the LumiFi Android app downloaded on your mobile phone and it is connected to your local project Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on. Your box comes with the following: the controller, which is a black box, the power cord, a HDMI cable, and a remote to navigate the screen. In option 1, we will use the LumiFi PRO app to discover the controller using Bluetooth. Here is a brief overview over the process. Let's go through the process step by step and in detail. Please unpack the LumiFi controller and plug it into a power source. There will be a blue control light to confirm power is on. Then, open the LumiFi PRO app from the Google Play Store. Open the application and log in with your IT Manager credentials. Select your project. If there are multiple choices, click on the one you are working on. Then, click on Commission. In the LumiFi controller screen, click on Manual Controller Search to discover the controllers in your Bluetooth range. The search can take around 1 minute. The LumiFi controller will be automatically detected via your phone's Bluetooth connection. All detected Bluetooth devices will appear in a list. The LumiFi controller is by default labeled as LumiFi Controller. Once your controller is discovered, select the controller you'd like to set up by tapping on it. A pop-up will appear asking for your Wi-Fi password. The network name is automatically discovered to the one your phone is connected to. Ensure your phone is on the same network your lighting system is on. Enter the password and click OK. The Bluetooth pairing has to be done before the connection times out. If the connection times out, please restart the app. The controller will now connect to your project network and ask you to confirm the pairing. Once configured, it will confirm the connection as successful and sync the information automatically with the web platform. You can commission your template profile. Once you confirm the successful connection, you will be returned to the commissioning screen. In option 2, we will physically connect the controller to a screen and configure the wireless network. This method is sometimes a bit more reliable in case the Bluetooth connection drops or there are other issues with the connection. You will need a display device that connects with a HDMI cable. Here is a brief overview over the process. Let's walk you through the process in detail. Please plug the LumiFi controller into a power source and plug in the provided HDMI cable. The HDMI cable comes with the controller. Please connect the HDMI cable from the controller to a screen or any monitor in order to connect the controller to the local Wi-Fi network. Once your monitor is plugged in, the home screen shows a series of navigation options. To configure the network, please use the provided remote to navigate and go to Settings, select Wi-Fi, connect to your local network by selecting it, and input your password. The controller will then automatically connect to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, you will exit the Settings section and return to the device home screen. Now, you need to only activate open and run the LumiFi Controller app, and you are ready to go. For this, please select the pre-installed LumiFi app from the bottom menu bar. Open the LumiFi Controller application and ensure it is running and turned on. From this point on, you can disconnect the LumiFi Controller from the monitor and start using the LumiFi PRO mobile application. Your LumiFi Controller is now connected to your local Wi-Fi network and will automatically be recognized and loaded during the commissioning. You can start the commissioning process.